Yeah. Now listen, if you let it fully form, that is a good confirmation, but you don't have to let it form. If you want to let it form, which is not a bad idea because then you know for sure it's staying there, right? Then go ahead because all you're going to do is miss a little bit of money and who cares? So I can do it as long as it gets bigger, right? Because usually on a 2 minute, because it's a 2 minute, right? It's a very long time frame. Now, what I don't want you doing, you see this? I mean, technically, if you put in a microscope, you might go, that's bigger, coach. Come on, that's so tiny. But technically, it's bigger, right? You're like, coach, I got it right here. Well, dude, you're better than, like, you are better than I am. So, you want it to form, you want it to see it go bigger. You want to, actually, it's definitively, it makes sense. They're not all like really close together because if they're close, it could change on you any second, right? Let's focus on this trade. Let's focus on the 2 minute first. The 2 minute signal was here. Everybody see it? So which was around this spot. Here's the beauty of being around VWAP. This is the easiest trade in the business. Since you bought it on VWAP and your stop is just above VWAP, allowing for a little breakthrough, not confirmation. This is the easiest trade you will ever make because it's either going to go your way, which it looks like it wants to, and bleed out, or you're immediately going to get stopped out for like a 3% loss. It's the best trade in the business, except for, my double tops, triple bottom stuff. Do you guys understand? It's so simplistic in every way off of this trade. So you should not be hesitating. You should not be fearing it. Hammer it and put your stops in. Done. Set it and forget it.
Okay.
If it loiters around and it will never make a decision off of VWAP, don't trade it. This has clearly touched, broke. See the difference? It moves. It tried to make moves. It was to the upside all day, and then it tried to go, and it was weak. Then it tried to pop back up. It was weak, and now you're to the downside. Test, triple bottom, break. Everybody see that? Yeah, you do. Now you're like light bulb. Triple bottom, break. Stop right here. Right? That's a no-brainer.